M0FXB Digital Ham Radio Diary. Welcome. FXB, just finishing off this project. So we've got the holes drilled for the LEDs. We've got the 16mm hole drilled for the reset button. So now it's just a matter of fixing the case in and putting the lid on. This one comes with a funky handle, and I'm thinking I've got room in here as well to probably add one of my hotspots. And the next thing is to get these antenna connectors in. We'll get in there. We just drilled the holes for the LEDs, and we're starting to screw down the our Raspberry Pi and the buck converter. Screw down the radio next. So we've pretty much got it all assembled now. I've got the button, got the LEDs in. We got an extra hole here for where the antenna is going to go for my normal MMDVM hotspot, which I'm going to put in this gap here. But for now, we're going to fire it up, the Allstar hotspot, and just see if it works. Let's get this back together then. So we're going to fire it up and we're going to see if it connects. So we'll get the, I've got a USB to the Raspberry Pi 3. And I've got a 12 volt supply to the radio and the buck converter. So if it works, we will hear the radio give out its IP address. There is a bit of a delay. You can see the LED. On the left, you've got the red for power on. The blue says that the Raspberry Pi is doing some work. And then you get the green come on, I think, when it goes into transmit. The sound card is flashing away. Then you've got the
IP address M0FXB.
There you go.
192.168.1.113.
There you go, it's working well. So if we want to connect it, we just key the mic, hit the DTMF, go *55, and it should connect to HubNet. That's the shortcut number.
Macro not found.
Oh, I probably put in the wrong number. We'll try it again, but it's all working fine. So we'll go *DTMF *41522.
Node 5390110.
There you go, that's us connected to HubNet. So last overview is you've got the BF 888S, Raspberry Pi 3, buck converter, CM108 sound card, FT3, and then what we're going to do is just plonk the lid on like so.
43845 connected to node 53752.
So this one's even got a nifty little handle for carrying it. I've got room in there for a hotspot, and we've got a reset button here. Let's give it a test and then we'll finish the video. If it works proper, when we hold the button in, it will tell us that it's going to disconnect from the computer. It's quite a long pause. M0FXB returning. So I'm basically using right now a Yaesu FT3D because I think it looks really snazzy because I've got two of the nodes running. I've got on the A band HubNet and on the B band another node in America. So I've made a load of video of this. If you go on to M0FXB, you'll see it all on YouTube, of building the node and testing the node, including a completely separate test for the G for Peter's node, the G7 RPG. I get so confused with call signs. So it's great fun, and yeah. So basically, the FT3D, when I key the mic, the bowphone goes into transmit. So yeah, there's another guy who's made a video called 2E0BMT. He's on YouTube. He's done a step-by-step from ordering the parts to the finished product, including all the software. I've done one as well, just because I film everything that I do anyway. Back to you, Gary, M0FXB.
You're investigating the ultimate crime. There's nothing more serious than...
I'm just ordering some food, so I'll be right back with you. I do apologise.